How to create your July dump photo trend on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can start your July dump photo trend in your Instagram account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, in order to add a story, just tap on your story on your top left. As you do so, it will open up your gallery section. From here, choose any photo that you would like to add as your July photo dump. Once you do so, you will see a sticker icon on your top page. Just tap onto that and here tap on Add Yours. Now under Write a Prompt, type in July photo dump. Once you do so, place it wherever you want and tap on Add Your Story. As you have done that, refresh your page and tap on Your Story again. Now this being your story, if your friends tap on to add yours, they will get directed to their camera section and from there they can add their own photo under your July photo dump. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.